Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure.
Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to you all in our today's video. Today we'll be talking about acupressure points and mudra therapy for any kind of body pain. If you're having body pain like if you're having pain in your back, in your legs, or if your whole body is aching, it's paining, then this acupressure point and this mudra therapy will help you for that. So let's just start with this video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. So first we'll be discussing about mudra therapy. We'll be discussing two mudras for that. So the first one is the Prithvi mudra. How we will do this Prithvi mudra? For that, what we have to do is we have to join the tip of our ring finger with the tip of our thumb. With both the hands, what you have to do is join the tip of your thumb with the tip of your ring finger. Okay, like this we have to do, and rest all these three fingers will be straight like this, and you have to place it like this on your laps. Okay, so this is the mudra therapy we have to do. This mudra you have to do for 10 minutes. This is the first mudra. Second mudra is the Vayu mudra. Okay, for Vayu mudra, what we'll do is we'll bend our index finger till the base of our thumb. Okay, on the base of our thumb we'll bend it like this, and just above it we'll place our thumb. Okay, like that. From both the hands, with both the hands we have to do it the same. We'll just bend our index finger like this and place our thumb on it. Okay, and keep all the three fingers straight like this. You have to keep it like this on your lap. Same, this mudra also you have to do it for 10 minutes daily. You need to do both this mudras for 10 minutes each. Okay, so do it daily without fail and you'll definitely feel the results. So this was the mudra therapy for body pain. Now let us know about acupressure point. We will be discussing two acupressure points today. Both these points are on the back side of our hand. So on the index finger. Okay, so our first point is on the index finger. On the second joint of our index finger, on that joint line itself, towards thumb is this point. This point is called as LI11, large intestine meridian's 11th point. Okay, our second point is on the middle finger. On the second joint of the middle finger, just above that joint, towards thumb side is this point. This point is called as stomach 36. On both these points, what we'll do, we'll just press this point properly for 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, we'll press it properly and then we'll apply magnet on this point. For magnet therapy, what we'll do is we'll take a Biol magnet. For magnet therapy, what we'll do is we will take a star magnet. If you are not having these magnets and if you want to buy them, then we have made a basic acupressure kit in which all these magnets and things which we use in acupressure are included in that kit. If you want to buy it, you can see our contact details. You can WhatsApp us on that and buy it for yourself. So we'll place a star magnet on a paper tip in such a way that the pointed side of the star magnet will touch the skin, and from the outside you can see the black side of the star magnet. So you need to apply one star magnet each on one point. Okay, so we'll apply one over here and then another one on the stomach 36 point. These points are bilateral, that means you need to do it on both the hands. You need to apply magnets for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, you need to throw the paper tape away and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire and you can use them for lifetime. So do this treatment daily, the acupressure points and the mudra therapy. Okay, it's not like it will give you result in a day or two. No, it will take time. Okay, so do it daily and do not think like they are not giving you any results kind of thing. Just trust them and do that daily. Have faith in it. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you found our video good. Thank you so much.